Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Margarita salt rim updated. Start by choosing coarse salt and fresh lime and use a shallow plate for rimming. Run a lime wedge around the glass rim, then dip into salt so it adheres evenly. Tap off excess and set the glass upright to let the rim dry briefly. With this method, you get a clean, flavorful rim that holds through shaking and serving. In this video, I will show how to make Margarita salt rim updated. Select the right salt based on texture and taste: coarse sea salt for crunch, kosher salt for subtler flavor, or flavored salt for an extra kick. Place the salt on a flat plate and gently press the moistened rim into it to build an even coating. Avoid over-dipping to prevent clumps and taste test for balance before serving. In this video, I will show how to make Margarita salt rim updated. Quick recommendation: if you need a reliable bottle between cocktail shifts, the O'Ala water bottle holds cold drinks well and fits in most cup holders, so you stay hydrated while prepping rims. It's handy on busy bar nights or patios, and it cleans up easily. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Margarita salt rim updated. Experiment by mixing lime zest into salt for fresh citrus, adding a pinch of chili powder for heat, or combining sugar with salt for sweeter riffs. Keep proportions modest so the rim complements rather than overpowers the drink. Use a small bowl to blend ingredients evenly, then press the rim to test flavor intensity and adjust before rimming all glasses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.